The Fiery Smart Estimator on the Xerox iGen 5 press and the Xerox Iridesse production press is a quick and easy way to calculate your specialty dry ink costs for specific jobs. Before you can start estimating jobs, be sure your cost estimation settings are configured in the Command workstation. Calculations are based on the per-box price for each specialty ink: gold, silver, white, clear, and low-gloss clear on the Iridesse production press, and white, clear, orange, green, blue, and fluorescent yellow on the iGen 5. In most cases, CMYK costs are accounted for under your per-click charge. Start by importing the job you'd like to estimate and double-click to open it. On the Job Info tab, set your quantity and page size. We recommend using a quantity of 1,000, but if you have a specific number, use it. Also, set the appropriate imposition, color management, and other job settings for the most accurate coverage calculations. This job uses orange. Open the Color tab. Check CMYK Plus in the Color Mode panel. Then select Orange from the drop-down menu. This application uses orange both as a spot color and as a gamut extender, so we'll leave the Spot Color Only box unchecked. If we check it, it will only calculate the cost of orange where it's used as a spot color. Click the double caret next to the Print button and select Process and Hold. After it's processed, select Estimate Cost. You'll see a new line appear in the Job Summary pane showing the estimated cost for the job. Click on the Details link to see a breakdown of each specialty dry ink included in the estimate. The process works the same way for a job with blue or green dry ink. When using white, clear, or fluorescent yellow, the process is similar, but instead of the Color tab, you'll choose the Specialty Color tab to indicate your specialty color. The Fiery Smart Estimator works the same on the Iridesse production press as it does on the iGen 5, although you'll have different options on the Specialty Color tab. This application uses clear dry ink as an overlay and silver dry ink as an underlay. On the Specialty Color tab, check Apply Specialty Color over CMYK and select Clear Dry Ink from the drop-down. Then, check Apply Specialty Color under CMYK and select Silver Dry Ink from the drop-down. Then, just as on the iGen 5, OK, Process and Hold the job, Estimate Cost, and then view your cost estimation details. The Fiery Smart Estimator provides a helpful reference for estimating the per-job cost of adding specialty dry ink to customer applications, so you can maximize profit potential. For more information, visit xerox.com/CMYK.